እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች። በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ11ኛ ክፍል የባዮሎጂ ትምህርትን ዩኒት 4 ነው። ይሄ ዩኒት 4 ጄኔቲክስ ይላል። ጄኔቲክስ የሚለውን በአጠቃላይ 100 ጥያቄዎችን አዘጋጅተን እነዚህ 100 ጥያቄዎች በፓርት 1 እና በፓርት 2 ነው የምንሰራው። ስለዚህ ፓርት 1 ከዚህ በፊት የሰራ ነው አለ ከ1 እስከ 60 ያሉ ጥያቄዎችን ዛሬ ደግሞ የቀሩትን የፓርት 2 እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። ባዮሎጂ ብቻ ሳይሆን ያው ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችም እንደዚሁ እየሰራ እንገኛለን። እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኖ አብረን እንቀጥላለን። እስካሁን ያሉትን ጥያቄዎች እንዲሁም ደግሞ ወደፊት የምንሰራቸውን በርካታ ጥያቄዎች ሙሉ የመጽሐፉን ዩኒቶች የያዘ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን ያካተተ በመጽሐፍ መልክ አዘጋጅተናል። ስለዚህ ይህንን መጽሐፍ ከፈልጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ አማካኝነት ኮንታክት ማድረግና መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሄድ። ነምበር 61 which of the following genotypes corresponds to the Rh positive individual? A Rh positive Rh positive, B Rh negative Rh negative, C Rh positive Rh negative, D both A and C. Okay, D both A and C. Okay, ምንድነው የሚሆነው? Rh ፖዚቲቭ የሆነ ኢንዲቪጁዋል ሁለቱም ነው ፖዚቲቭ እንደዚሁም ደግሞ ፖዚቲቭ እና ኔጌቲቭ ይኖረዋል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 62 which parent can only pass the Rh negative allele to their child? A Rh positive parent, B Rh positive Rh negative parent, C Rh negative parent, D Rh negative positive Rh positive or Rh positive Rh negative parent. C Rh negative parent. Okay, so this is the Rh negative parent can only pass the Rh negative allele to the child ማለት ነው። 63 what is the risk when the Rh negative mother has Rh positive child? A no risk, B Rh C increased likelihood of Rh positive children in future pregnancies, D none of the above. Okay, B Rh sensitization ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ይሄ የማዘር Rh ኔጌቲቭ ከሆነች የልጁ Rh ፖዚቲቭ ከሆነ Rh sensitization ይባላል ማለት ነው። ሶ ማዘርስ ኢሚዩን ሲስተም ካን ክሬት አንቲቦዲስ አጌንስት Rh ፖዚቲቭ ብለድ ማለት ነው። ይሄ Rh ፖዚቲቭን ምንድነው አጌንስት የሚያደርግ አንቲቦዲስ የማዘር ብለድ እንትን ይላል ማለት ነው። ኢሚዩን ሲስተም ክሬት ያደርጋል። ኦኬ ሶ which can complicate future pregnancies ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 64 how can Rh sensitization complications be prevented? A blood transfusion, B anti-D vaccine, C regular blood testing, D none of the above. ኦኬ ቢ አንቲ-ዲ ቫክሲን ነው። ይሄ ህክምና አለው ማለት ነው። የአርኤች ሴንሲታይዜሽን ከመሆኑ ከተረጋገጠ በምርመራ ምንድነው አንቲ-ዲ ቫክሲን መድኃኒት ይኖራል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ አንቲ-ዲ ቫክሲን prevents the mother from the developing antibodies against Rh positive blood cells ማለት ነው። 65 in the humans what determine biological sex? A chromosomes, B blood type, C eye color, D hair color. Okay, this is chromosomes. Okay, chromosomes determine the biological sex male or female የሚለውን ማለት ነው። 66 why are males more likely to inherit sex linked genetic disorders than females? A they have 2 X chromosomes, B they have only 1 X chromosome, C they have no Y chromosome, D none of the above. Okay, B they have only one X chromosome. Okay, the males have only one X chromosome, so any recessive gene on the X chromosome will be expressed. 67. Which of the following is a sex-linked genetic disorder in humans? A. Down syndrome, B. Hemophilia, C. Cystic fibrosis, D. Sickle cell anemia. Okay, B. Hemophilia. Okay, hemophilia is the genetic disorder that linked with the sex ማለት ነው። Hemophilia is caused by the mutation in gene on the X chromosome, making the sex-linked disorder. 68. How can a male inherit hemophilia? A. From his father, B. From his mother, D. From both parents, D. None of the above. Okay, B. From his mother. Okay, males inherit hemophilia from their mother, okay, who carries the X-linked allele for disorder. 69. What is the genotype of a female carrier of hemophilia? A. XHXH, B. XHX, C. XY, D. XHY. Okay, B. XHX. Okay, a carrier female has one normal X chromosome and one X chromosome with the hemophilia gene. 70. What is the phenocopy? A. A genetic disorder caused by the environmental factor. B. An environmentally induced phenotype that mimics a genotype-based phenotype. C. A genetic mutation. D. A new species formed by environmental factors. Okay, B. An environmentally induced phenotype that mimics genotype based phenotype ማለት ነው። 71. Which of the following is an example of phenocopy? A. Genetic inheritance of eye color. B. Himalayan rabbit showing a black coat in cold temperatures. C. A child inheriting sickle cell anemia. D. None of the above. Okay, B. Himalayan rabbits showing a black coat in cold temperature. Okay, this is the example of phenocopy የምንለው ማለት ነው። 72. Which of the following can cause phenocopies? A. Radiation, B. Temperature shocks, C. Chemical poisons, D. All of the above. Okay, D. All of the above እነዚህ ሁሉም the cause of phenocopies እንላቸዋለን። 73. What is the primary cause of genetic disorders? A. Virus infection, B. Mutation in DNA, C. Nutritional deficiency, D. Exposure to radiation. Okay, B. Mutation in DNA. Okay, genetic disorder are caused by mutations or changes in DNA sequence, either due to errors during DNA replication or environmental factors. 74. Which of the following is an example of autosomal dominant genetic disorder? A. Cystic fibrosis, B. Huntington's disease, D. Albinism, D. Hemophilia. Okay, B. Huntington's disease ማለት ነው። Okay, this is the autosomal dominant genetic disorder የምንለው ነው። 75. Autosomal recessive gene genetic disorder are most common expressed when A. only one parent carries the gene. B. Both parents carry the gene. C. The disorder is inherited from the father. D. The disorder is inherited from the mother. B. Both parents carry the gene ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ይሄኛው the genetic disorder ነው ማለት ነው። 76 which genetic disorder is caused by a defect in the X chromosome? A. Cystic fibrosis. B. Down syndrome. C. Hemophilia. D. Huntington's disease. C. Hemophilia. Okay, hemophilia is a recessive X-linked disorder, meaning controlled by the gene on the X chromosomes. 77 which of the following is a well-known autosomal recessive genetic disorder? A. Albinism. B. Huntington's disease. C. Down syndrome. D. Turner syndrome. Okay, A. Albinism. Albinism it is autosomal recessive disorder that occurs when the individual inherits two defective alleles, one from each parent. ከእያንዳንዱ ፓረንት አንዳንድ ዲስኦርደር ወይም ዲፌክቲቭ አሌል ሪሲቭ ሲያደርግ ማለት ነው። 78 what is the genetic cause of Down syndrome? A. Extra chromosome 21. B. Extra chromosome 23. C. Missing chromosome 18. D. Extra chromosome 19. Okay, A. Extra chromosome 21 ነው። A ለዳውንስ ሲንድሮም የሚያጋልጥ ማለት ነው። So Down syndrome occurs when there is an extra chromosomes 21 trimosome 21 የሚባለው ማለት ነው። resulting in the 3 copies of chromosome ማለት ነው። 79 a mutation in which chromosome causes Turner syndrome? A. Chromosome 21. B. X chromosome. C. Chromosome 18. D. Y chromosome. B. X chromosome. Okay, this is the Turner syndrome ማለት ነው። Okay, occurs when the female has only one X chromosome instead of two ማለት ነው። 80 which disorder is an example of multifactorial genetic disorder? A. Cystic fibrosis. B. Diabetes. C. Hemophilia. D. Huntington's disease. B. Diabetes. This is the multifactorial genetic disorder. 81 what type of mutation causes chromosome disorder such as Down syndrome? A. Inversion. B. Translocation. C. Aneuploidy. D. Deletion. Okay, C. Aneuploidy. This is the chromosome disorder ማለት ነው። such as ይሄ እንደ Down syndrome አንድ ኤግዛምፕል ማለት ነው። 82 what is an example of chromosomal mutation that involve in the rearrangement of genetic material between non-homologous chromosomes? A. Deletion. B. Inversion. C. Translocation. D. Duplication. C. Translocation. Okay, this is the ምንድነው chromosomal mutation that involves in the rearrangement of genetic material የምንለው ማለት ነው። 83 which of the following is a common symptom of Huntington's disease? A. Progressive loss of memory and motor control. B. Skin discoloration. C. Increased blood clotting. D. Difficulty in breathing. A progressive loss of memory and motor control. Okay, this is the Huntington's disease symptom ማለት ነው። 84 what is the genetic basis of hemophilia? A autosomal dominant gene, B autosomal recessive gene, C X-linked recessive gene, D multifactorial inheritance. Okay, C X-linked recessive gene. Okay, this is the genetic base of hemophilia. 85 how do autosomal dominant disorder affect the inheritance pattern? A they are only passed from father to son. B they require two defective alleles to be expressed. C one defective allele is enough to express the disorder. D they are only passed through maternal inheritance. Okay, C one defective allele is enough to express the disorder. 86 what is the deletion in the chromosome mutation? A segment of chromosome is lost. B a parent of the chromosome is duplicated. C a segment of chromosome is reversed. D a part of chromosome is swapped with another chromosome. A the segment chromosome is lost ማለት ነው። ኦኬ የዲሌሽን ኦፍ ክሮሞዞም ሙቴሽን የሚባለው ዋን ሴግመንት ሜቢ ሎስት ማለት ነው። 87 what environmental factor is linked to the development of a multifactorial disorder like cancer? A air pollution, B excessive sleep, C lack of exercise, D cold weather. A ኤር ፖሊሽን እንደ ካንሰር አይነት ያሉ መልቲፋክቶሪያል ዲስኦርደርን ሊያስከትሉ ይችላሉ ማለት ነው። የኤንቫይሮንመንታል ፋክተር 88 what is the inversion of in the chromosome mutation? A segment of chromosome is turned around and reinserted. B a segment of chromosome is deleted. C a part of chromosome is added. D a part of chromosome is transferred to another chromosome. Okay, A the segment of chromosome is turned around reinserted ማለት ነው። Okay, 89 which of the following is characteristic of multifactorial disorder? A caused by single gene mutation. B only influenced by genetic factors. C involves a complex interaction of multiple gene and environmental factors. D always inherited in autosomal recessive pattern. C involves complex interaction of multiple genes and environmental factors ማለት ነው። ይሄ መልቲፋክቶሪያል ዲስኦርደር እንለዋለን። 90 which of the following is cause of Turner syndrome? A extra chromosome 21, B missing the X chromosome, C extra Y chromosome, D duplication of chromosome 7. Okay, B missing the 1X chromosome ማለት ነው። ይሄ Turner syndrome occur when the female has only 1X chromosome instead of 2 ማለት ነው። አንዱን ሚስ ያደርግ ማለት ነው። አንድ ብቻ ሲኖረው ማለት ነው። 91 which chromosomal disorder results from an individual having an extra chromosome 18? A Down syndrome, B Edwards syndrome, ሲ ፓቲዮ ሲንድሮም፣ ዲ ክሊነርፊልተር ሲንድሮም፣ ቢ ኤድዋርድ ሲንድሮም እንለዋለን። ኤድዋርድ ሲንድሮም ኦር ደግሞ ትራይ ሲንድሮም 18 የሚባለው ማለት ነው። ሪዛልት ፍሮም ሃቪንግ ኤክስትራ ክሮሞዞም 18 ማለት ነው። 92 what is the inheritance pattern of autosomal recessive disorder? A, only one copy of defective gene is needed for expression. B, both copies of gene must be defective for expression. C, affected individuals must inherit the gene from the father. D, affected individuals must inherit the gene from the mother. Okay, B, both copies of gene must be defective for expression ማለት ነው። Okay, this is the autosomal recessive disorder እንለዋለን። 93 which of the following is autosomal dominant disorder that leads to progressive neurodegeneration? A, Down syndrome, B, Huntington's disease, C, hemophilia, D, cystic fibrosis. Okay, B, Huntington's disease ይባላል። ይሄ Huntington's disease is an autosomal dominant disorder that caused progressive neurodegeneration ማለት ነው። 94 which genetic disorder is caused by the extra chromosome 13? A, Patos syndrome, B, Down syndrome, C, Edwards syndrome, D, Turner syndrome. Okay, A, Patos syndrome. Patos syndrome is caused by an extra chromosome 13 በሚባለው this is okay leading to severe intellectual disabilities and physical abnormalities ማለት ነው። disabilities እና physical abnormalities ያስከትላል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 95 what is the purpose of genetic testing? A, to diagnose physical injuries. B, to examine DNA and identify genetic disorder. C, to determine a person's age. D, to check for mental illness. Okay, B, to examine DNA and identify genetic disorder ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 96 what is genetic counseling? A, process of diagnosing genetic disorder. B, a therapy to reverse genetic mutations. C, helping families understand genetic risks and decisions. D, a method of preventing all genetic diseases. Okay, C, helping families understand genetic risks and decisions ማለት ነው። ይሄ genetic counseling ይባላል። 97 which of the following diagnostic tests can be performed during pregnancy to detect genetic disorders? A, MRI, B, amniocentesis, C, ultrasound only, D, CT scan. B, amniocentesis ይባላል። ይሄ amniocentesis ቴስት ነው፣ የዲያግኖስቲክ ቴስት ነው to detect genetic disorders in fetus ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 98 what does genetic testing help identify? A, person's blood type. B, risk of passing on genetic disorders. C, memory ability. D, height potential. B, risk passing on genetic disorder. Okay, this is ቱ አይዴንቲፋይ ዘ ጄኔቲክ ዲስኦርደር ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 99 ዋት ኢዝ ጂን ቴራፒ? ኤ process to treat cancer with radiation. B technique to modify gene to cure diseases. C a method to clone organisms. D a therapy to create new organs. B a technique to modify genes to cure disease ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሶ ጂን ሞዲፋይ የማድረግ ሂደት እና ምንድነው በሽታን ኪውር የማድረግ ምን እንለዋለን? ጂን ቴራፒ ይባላል። ኦኬ 100 ይሄ የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ ነው። what is somatic gene therapy? A modifying the genes in reproductive cells. B transferring genes to somatic cells that don't affect offspring. C cloning cells for medical purposes. D modifying genes in bacteria. Okay, B transferring genes to somatic cells that don't affect offspring ማለት ነው። somatic gene therapy ይባላል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ the somatic gene therapy involves altering the genes in body cells which doesn't affect the offspring ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ይሄ የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ ነው ለዛሬው የክፍል 2 ፓርት ቶን እና እንዲሁ በአጠቃላይ የዩኒት 4 ባዮሎጂ ጥያቄና መልስ ጨርሰናል። የተወሰነ ያክል ያግዛችኋል ብዬ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንዲሁም ለክፍላችሁ ፈተና። ይህንን ጥያቄና መልስ የያዘ በመጽሐፍ መልክ አዘጋጅተናል። ጥያቄውን ከበቂ ማብራሪያ ጋር ማለት ነው። ጥያቄዋ ከፊት ለፊት ይኖራል፣ ከበስተጀርባ የመጽሐፉ በስተጀርባ መልሱን ከማብራሪያ ጋር ከኤክስፕላኔሽን ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይህን መጽሐፍ ገዝታችሁ መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ መሰረት ኮንታክት አድርጉን። ባዮሎጂ ብቻ ሳይሆን ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችም እንዲሁ እየሰራን እንገኛለን። እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሆኑ።